Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Bgmi app version and that your iOS device supports the config format, because mismatch breaks settings. Once done, back up the current config to iCloud or a local folder so you can restore if needed. Next, install and open a trusted file manager like Filza or iMazing and grant the necessary permissions. This gives you direct access to the app container where the config will be placed. Do these steps before changing anything else. You now transfer the config file from your computer or cloud using AirDrop, Files app, or iTunes file sharing so it appears on the device. Then, in your file manager, navigate to Bgmi app container, typically under Documents or Library/Preferences, and move the file into that exact folder, because wrong placement prevents loading. Make sure the file name matches the original config name and overwrite only after confirming. You finish by setting file permissions to match the app's existing config files, usually read-write for the owner and read for others, so Bgmi can read it. Once permissions are correct, fully restart your device and then launch Bgmi to force the app to load the new config. If you don't see changes, restore your backup and double-check the file name, folder path, and permission bits. Those are the most common causes when a config fails to apply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.